So here is our rice loaf. As you can see, that's doubled in size. Press that gently, slowly springs back. So all we need to do now is to score our loaf. If we don't score the loaf, the gas that's built up inside it will escape wherever it sees fit, and it could come out the side, the top, a strange crack across the top. If we score the loaf, and this applies to any loaf, we're controlling where the steam comes out. So we like to do this rice loaf with 5 lines along the length of the loaf. The easiest way to do that, I think, is to start with the middle one and then fill in the sides. I've got a razor here. That's the best piece of kit to score any loaf. We're not using the full blade, we're using corner of the blade. So hold it at that angle and you just have to go for it. Don't be too gentle, just go for it. And just before it goes into the oven, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of rice flour on the top, just because that looks really nice. So the angle, I'm just using the corner. See, your dough starts to split. You can go back down again if you want to make it slightly deeper. And then to either side. And that's ready to go in the oven, just a little sprinkling of rice flour on the top.